Hi there. So I have another video editor AI for you guys here. It's called HeyGen, the website HeyGen, but it's from the compilation or archive of AIs from the earlier videos. Anyway, let's talk about HeyGen. It is a payment. It requires payment for other features, but you can use it for free trial for limited features. Okay. For this one, so it's very simple, very self-explanatory. Website, you can do it by your own, but I'm here to teach you how to learn the basics. Okay. So once you're ready after this video, I'm really sure that you can expand more your skills here using HeyGen. Anyway, before we get started, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen, a pencil should do. Anything that you can write down the notes, even a notepad on your PC is perfectly fine. Now from here on out, please follow the steps accordingly, one step at a time, and then so you won't have a problem in the future if you skip a step. So the thing is, I need you to secure a Gmail, an active email before proceeding, because we're gonna use it for verification purposes as our account here, because it needs to have an account. As you can see here, mine is already logged in. The email was sent to my email right here. This is the email, the verification is here. And then since I use my email, there is a trial free credit. Earlier this is 1 minute. The free credit trial is 1 minute. And then after you finish that, you need to pay for more credits. Because I also did a video earlier, practice here, 6 seconds. That's why it's only 54 seconds right here. So I'm going to teach you how I did that. So first, I want you to go to avatar right here. And then click on upload talking photo over here. I have a sample photo that I downloaded earlier from Google. Just download any photo. If you have your personal photo, that's perfectly fine also. Okay. So to check our uploaded talking photo, go to talking photo section right here. And then you can see two of them. Let's just delete one so you won't be confused. So once we're here, you can edit the photo itself. We're gonna create an avatar template since this is a video for AI generation. Anyway, you can edit the photo here. You can name it, for example, sample 1. You can include super resolution, that's perfectly fine. And then you can remove the background over here. Let's remove that background so we can use other backgrounds for it. View mode is square, original, it's perfectly fine, whatever you choose here. I'm gonna go with circle. And then once it's done, you can choose the voice. Please pay attention, some of them has diamond, golden icon. That means these voices are for subscribers only that are paying for this website. So since this is a free trial, you can only choose a few here. Let's stick with Sarah. And then save as template over there. Give it a few seconds to finish. Now it's gonna be done. It's gonna be named sample 1. You can edit a furthermore because we're gonna choose a landscape or portrait view. Let's choose landscape since landscape is the best for discussion purposes. So again, you can edit this template here. For example, welcome to my channel. And then you can also edit the background itself. For example, here it's just like Canva. There are stock images for you here. You can also put a text, but I suggest doing a background itself and then use the option here to give the AI a voice. Anyway, let's choose a background for us here. I think this background over here best suits us, this one over here. Now to apply this background, just right click, says background over there. And then you can adjust your icon, your AI right here if you want on lower left, upper right, depends on you guys. I suggest going on the lower right, even though there is a watermark here, only subscribers can remove this one. We can remove that one because we need to pay. Anyway, from here on out, you can also adjust the avatar. You can change it if you want the presetted one. This one over here, it's really up to you. Mona Lisa is also available here. Don't worry, there was no copyright over here. If you use Mona Lisa, you can adjust the size, you can adjust the angle. If you don't want Mona Lisa, just remove one and use your sample that you created earlier. Let's just minimize it a little bit. Now from here, you can save it as of now. If you're satisfied with this one, you can send a preview or submit it. To save it, just click on submit. Confirm. This is gonna be 7 seconds deduction on our credits. the free 1 minute credit earlier will be deducted again. So while submitting, it will take around 1 minute and 26 seconds. While we're doing that, let's explore some more templates here. Go back to avatar section. There are other sections here that can be explored. For example, generate talking photo. This is us earlier, the same as upload tagging photo. Record avatar light. Let's go on outfit right here. As you can see, this AIs can be chosen, and they also can be change outfit. However, if you're wondering, can we change the one that we uploaded earlier? Yes, we can, but only for subscribers feature. That is only open for subscribers that are paying. Let me just check my mic here if it's perfectly working. Great. So for example, let's choose Derek right here. I'm gonna make him wear navy blue blazer. So let's just wait a few seconds. The AI is gonna generate it. It's gonna ask a few more questions to be accurate. It will also take a while, so be patient, guys, because a lot of people are using this one. So example right here. Here are some navy blue blazer options. A dark navy blue single-breasted blazer with gold buttons. That sounds perfect. So again, if you choose that one, it will take around a minute or two to change the outfit for Derek. So it says 30 to 60 seconds. Please do not close this page. I have a, since you're watching me, I have a workaround here. If you still want to like explore without closing this page, just click on your tab right here, right click on duplicate over here. And then once you're here, you can explore as it is, but still having the old one waiting for the outfit earlier for the blazer. So I think the blazer is done. As you can see here, this is Derek. That's a blue blazer with gold buttons. That's perfectly good. So that's a shortcut to expedite the process. Let's check on our project earlier. To check on our project we did earlier, click on home and then click on continue project. Click on all right here. You can see the 7-second project we did earlier. As you can see here, it's already done. You can customize the share page, make your video bio. You can do so much more here. But please take note on this diamond gold signs. They're only for exclusive paying subscriber version. You can on the captions. Actually, captions are very good. Also, you can upload, import, replace auto captions, whatever you like. And then from here on out, you can download it. Download the video by this button right here. You can edit as new, get video ID, something like that. So this is how you use this website HeyGen to create your video AI. This is another video editor AI website for you guys, and I hope you had fun. So anyway, please like the video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Have a great day, guys.